Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you turn this active now feature on and off. So right now you see it's giving a green dot next to my name. This is my other account. So it's giving me a green dot right next to my name, and that means I am active now. So how do I turn this off? Right? For example, if you're some person who wants this off, it's the same procedure, and if you want it on, it's the same procedure that you're gonna follow. So I'm gonna go to my profile, and I'm just gonna go to on the top right and press on the three bars, and I'm gonna press settings. And there I'm gonna find privacy, and I'm gonna go to activity status. And now you see this show activity status is turned on. And now you guys, like for example, if you want to know if the other person is online, they also have to have this feature turned on, right? If you guys want to see their status, they have to have this on, and if you want them to know, you have to have this on. So that is how this works, right? It is like a two-way street. Both ends have to have this on, and that is the only way for it to function correctly. And the second option that you see, show when you're active together, sometimes when you go into someone's chat, Instagram is going to show that you are both in this chat, like you are both in this inbox texting each other right now live. And for some people it can be kind of, well, awkward. So you can always turn this off if you want. I personally just freak out when I see that the person is in chat, like too much pressure. Anyways, so that is how this activity status thing works. And if I turn this, like, I can see it's still showing with a green dot, but if I go ahead to the settings and I go to privacy again, activity status, and I turn this off, I'm gonna go home, and look, it's gone. So that is how the activity status or the active now functions on Instagram. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.